Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do the easiest brow tutorial possible. I'm going to give you the 3 easy steps it takes to get perfect brows every time. Line, fill, conceal. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Started with fresh, clean brows. I am going to take a brow pencil, and it doesn't matter what method you use, whether it's a brow pencil, brow powder, pomade, whatever it is you want to use, you can still do these 3 easy steps. First step, line. I'm literally just going to line up under my brow and above my brow. If your line isn't perfect, it's okay, because we will correct any mistakes in one of the other steps. Next step, fill. Take whatever it is you're using, whether it is a pencil, powder, or pomade, and fill in between those lines. Next step, conceal. Line, fill, conceal. So I'm going to take some Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. I'm going to take a concealer brush, and we are going to conceal. Now this step you do want to take your time and do, because now you're correcting any mistakes that you've made. Now we're going to fix the eye where we messed up at, and we're going to do the exact same thing. Or this is something that can help you to make sure your brows are even. Swipe the concealer all the way over. And doing the exact same thing, we are just going to take our time and fix those mistakes with our magic eraser. Y'all see how I'm not rushing it? Now in the video, I might speed up this portion, but please understand I am taking my time and really just making sure I get a nice crisp line up under these brows. Now, depending on the type of person you are and what your preference is, you can take a concealer that's lighter than your skin tone, or you can take a concealer or even your foundation that is your skin tone to conceal the top. It's really just your preference. Some people like to take a concealer that is their skin tone so that they avoid the halo effect. It doesn't bother me either or, because I make sure to blend out above my eyebrows real well. Same situation, just bring that concealer straight across to make sure that your brows are even. And now the brow that was messed up actually looks better. Line, fill, and conceal. I don't leave your brows looking like this. you need to feather out the front, or at least that's what I like to do. Some people like the boxy look. I hate the boxy look, by the way, but some people prefer it. If that's what you prefer, you do what you do. But the main basis of your brow, done. Take your good concealer blender and blend out under those eyes really, really well. If you did create a unibrow, you're gonna want to take a blending brush and blend that out real good. Be careful when you're blending on top. You don't want to disrupt what you just done. I tend to do that a lot, which is why I said that. One more extra step you can do to make sure your brows don't move. Take you some, I'll just take the tiniest amount there. And this is like a, I don't know if this is a lip brush. It actually came out of an eyeshadow palette, my BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. But I just like the shape of the brush. And it's perfect for getting in there. Taking a little bit of this product, and I just brush it over my hairs just to make those hairs lay down and make sure that nothing is moving. Take it and I'll lay them hairs down, baby. And ain't nothing moving. Boom. Guys, that is how you get a brow in 10 minutes. Stay tuned for more videos like this where I take makeup applications and make them easy. Brows, contouring, highlighting, all that eyeshadow. We're gonna 1, 2, 3 it and show you how the easiest way to get the makeup look that you are looking for. So I will see you guys in my next video.